Want to upsell based on what someone just bought? Ask Sidekick to email customers 5 days after a starter kit order is fulfilled with an advanced kit upsell. Sidekick drafts a flow with a condition, a 5-day wait, and a FlowSend email. Open the draft in Shopify Flow and walk through each step. It starts when an order is fulfilled. No extra trigger setup is required. The condition checks whether any line item is in the starter kit collection. When true, Flow waits 5 days before continuing. Then FlowSend emails the customer an advanced kit upsell with a direct product link. Swap in your real collection ID and product handle before you activate. Review the workflow, then turn it on. Confirm in the Modal to activate the automation. Once active, every qualifying starter kit fulfillment queues the advanced kit upsell automatically.